So this MacBook Pro, I've got a video on it again. So the hard drive basically failed, so you install macOS and then after a few days or something it would just wipe itself for some reason. So I replaced this pesky old hard drive with a nice shiny new hard drive. And I'll talk to you about it right after the intro. So first, let's talk about this hard drive. So this is a SATA 1 750 gigabyte 2.5 inch hard drive. It was made in October 2011, so it's 10 years old. So yeah, it doesn't give me too many hopes for the iMac, which we'll have here shortly. But when we replaced it with the 500 gigabyte WD black hard drive, this machine feels a whole lot snappier. Like, look how fast the Launchpad loads. Look how fast Firefox opens. It used to take ages to open Firefox. Now it only took 10 seconds. And this is a hard drive based machine. So either this hard drive has been showing signs of dying for a while, or it's just very, very slow. You can actually hear it. So this thing has been revived. It works. I'm very happy. Everything seems to be a whole lot snappier. Microsoft Word used to take ages to open, and now open. There we go. Now let's see how long it takes. That was a hiccup, by the way. Shut up, fly. And now Microsoft Word is open, so that took half the time that it usually takes. Now if you'll excuse me for a moment, I've just got to go and kill this fly. So now that I've killed that annoying fly, we just close that. Still closes a lot faster as well. So overall, this thing just feels a lot snappier. And it's actually quite usable now. Even more usable than when I talked about it in the using a MacBook Pro into 2021 thing. MacBook Pro 2011 and 2021. Shut up, fly. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you disliked this video, then feel free to hit the dislike button. But if you liked it, remember to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. Also check out our other channels. They're great. Bye.